let's go ahead and do a little bit of work here in this garden area. It's just kind of messy, so I'm gonna go ahead and get all this cleaned out here. This mainly, as you can see, has snap peas. Here's some, but we're just gonna get everything pulled out. And honestly, we just need a new start. And I'm gonna get all these pulled, and then we're gonna add some more soil. I'm not sure. Maybe we can find like something that does not need a lot of sun, because this area does not get it right now. It's in December. So maybe I did a little research, and it did look like there was a certain spinach, maybe. So maybe we can try some spinach. I need to buy myself some garden tools. Why I don't have those is beyond me. And I did have a plant over here, but never did anything. Kind of just died. And I just been throwing it in this little pile of all different sorts of scraps, and pretty soon I'm going to fill this up with soil and we'll plant something in there. Okay, so I went ahead and got this one all cleaned out nice, and I'm going to get some fresh soil in here, and we're going to put our new snap peas that I soaked last night into this container here. And then here's the base to this here, and I don't know what I did with this one for this, but maybe it'll be okay. Yeah, there's still holes there, so that'll work. So we'll use this for maybe some more snap peas. So we'll fill this up later with some soil, and this one here with some soil. Cut some of these leaves off, and we're gonna get this broccoli and go ahead and eat it. It looks so good. I don't even want to cut it. And then we're gonna go ahead and harvest this zucchini. It's supposed to get really cold tomorrow and the next 4 days, and I'm not gonna risk losing this. Look at how beautiful this is. Just gorgeous. Little bit of a little white area, but it's not scratched or anything. So here we go with zucchini, the broccoli, and some leaves. I went ahead and cooked up my broccoli and some of the broccoli leaves and put it with my lasagna and my Hawaiian roll, so can't wait to eat it. Boy, you can always tell when you have your own things from the garden. It's just so good. Really good broccoli. I wish I'd have more. Good. My rose bush finally opened. Remember this one? And I said, is it gonna be a yellow or is it gonna be an orange? Well, definitely yellow. Isn't that beautiful? All right, next we need to fill this up with some soil and get our peas in here because I've had them soaking. Okay, we got it done. Let's go in the house. Okay, so here we go. We got this inside here. And here are my seeds. If you look real close, you can see they're ready to go. Okay, so I have 7 of them. You can see here. I'm just gonna go ahead and make it in the right way. Plant them without breaking them off. Probably broke some of them off. That one didn't have nothing. There. Let's see, 1 second. My one dog's ready to come in the house. All right, so we got them all planted in there. I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of cover them up. Cover. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and get this water in there. And then we'll just put it under our grow light. All right, so we have it under our plant lights, and we'll do a follow-up on them very, very soon. Thank you for watching, and hope you subscribe to my channel, and have a great day. Bye-bye.